Okay, I thought I'd do this quick video on how to make an eggplant casserole. And these are Japanese eggplants. They're quite a nice variety. Easy to slice up. That's what we'll do is we're going to slice those up and put them in our casserole. And we have some other ingredients are some tomatoes and some garlic and a tablespoon of organic soy sauce and a pound of hamburger. So overall it's a pretty inexpensive dish to make. And so I'm just going to slice up these eggplants. So you just chop them up. It doesn't have to be sliced thin. What's really nice about these Japanese eggplants are just like big long fingers and just easy to work with compared to the other ones. A lot of room there. Bread is from a local bakery that just opened on Argyle. Check it out. It's a nice little cafe. It's got you can order food to eat there or take out. And have a nice patio area that you can sit at. And they bought about 20 pounds of peppers from us today. So it's nice to have a new customer. Yeah, there's a lot of eggplant here. Okay. Well, I might as well slice it up. No, I'll keep that for, I'll make some baba ganoush. And some tomatoes. Okay, and I'll chop up these tomatoes. They're a bit of farmer's food from Shelter Farm, kind of like rejects, but perfectly good food. And it's a nice looking tomato. So this was a bull's heart tomato, nice kind of beefsteak style tomato. So all this stuff again, you just cut it up into big chunks. It doesn't have to be small chunks. You have to slice it up. Big chunks is good. Okay, next the garlic. We're going to be planting garlic on Friday at the farm. So this is some garlic that I grew last year, harvested this year, and yeah, it's a beautiful. So for garlic, what I do is just cut off the little knobby end there, and then I need a good knife like this, and just press down on the garlic, and then that basically busts it up. That's one way of getting the peel off real easy. So it's all going to be sliced up, or you can just crush it some more in a garlic press. But this dish, everything's kind of chunky. So, and that's garlic. And that's pretty much it for the ingredients. It's pretty simple. I have some ghee. It's always good to cook with ghee because it's healthier. And I do have some cooking oil here, some organic sunflower oil. And so I'll just heat up my pot here. Use my reach. So I'm going to cook up the hamburger, and I'll add the garlic. This is some local grass-fed beef. So everything's local within this community anyways. eggplants are turning purple, from purple to brown. That's normal. So let that cook some more. Here. Limited edition 2008 Brew Doctor Kombucha Watermelon Hibiscus Green Tea. Cheers. Wow, that's good stuff. Okay. This looks like it's looking really good. So you see it's reduced quite a lot. In volume, the eggplants just get smaller and smaller and they turn brown. Still have a little bit of purple tinge to them. And now I'm just going to add the tomatoes to it. And about a tablespoon of soy sauce. So I don't measure anything, I just pour it on. You can always add more later. And stir it up. It smells good. Okay, so that's what it's kind of looking like now. And I guess we're just basically going to heat up the tomatoes and that's about it. Still want them kind of firm in this kind of dish. So that's it. Pretty simple. That's got to be the dog easiest recipe I ever made. Man, this stuff's good. Tastes like watermelon too. It actually has a really good watermelon flavor. And I love watermelon. Well, that's it. So, this is what it looks like. And got nice big chunks in here. Just try some. Those tomatoes are good. Oh, man, that's good. A little hot, sorry. but it's delicious. I love the eggplants, just delicious flavor.